Hi everyone, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to show you how to fix this, but just for someone who has not created a big project. So it tells you the release target is 11, so that's why it failed. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to delete this. I've deleted that project, right? Close. I'll reopen NetBeans. Then open a new project, Springboard. Next, here I don't do anything, but here that's where the problem came from. The Java version I'm using is 11, and the JDK is not matching with this. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna use 8, and I say next. Choose my dependencies. Okay, this one they say exist. Just put 8, whatever I want. Okay, I'm fine. There's something I'm gonna do, but you don't need to do it. Dependencies. Okay. I just want to put a database settings because I use the database. It will give me that error for database. So, and also I'm gonna go to my right there. Okay, then can run this. You can see we don't get the error we got before. We're getting a different error. You see, this one is something else I have to fix. I knew it was gonna come, but it's not related to what we're doing. So we fixed that first error. This one is not yours. You don't have this, so we fixed the first error. So the error was connected to the versions of JDK and the version of Java you're using. You get me? So if you have a project which you can't delete already, so you have to change your JDK to match the Java version you're using. Thanks guys. If it helped, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.